Hello and welcome. It's gillykube. I'm coming to you with another acrylic pour today. So hopefully you're in on your acrylic pouring art journey and joining me on some of these pours ideas. I know lots of people have been commenting that they've tried different techniques that I've put up and they're enjoying the process, and that's what it's all about, is just enjoying this process. It's definitely artist therapy to escape to your studio, whether it be on your own or with a friend. It's just a really lovely pastime. Today I am using 3 different makes of paint. I'm using some Amsterdam, I'm using the PBO, and this one is the blue very iridescent. I'll tell you what I've done with that. And I'm using some global paints. I'm using the 3 different brands together. So I'm going to, this is a 40 by 40 centimetre canvas, and I'll just explain what I'm doing as I go along. So I just wanted to share you, this was some bit of resin that I had left over from the pour that I did my galaxy pour. It was some resin that was left over and I just played with it. The shimmer in it is absolutely fantastic, really shimmery, but it's only a thin layer of resin on there, so I'm going to go over this. My husband cut me out some MDF boards. I suppose they're about, I don't know, maybe 3, 4, 5 mil thick, so they won't bend or anything. So they were really good for me to practice resin art, because I want to actually do artwork in resin. So that was a bit of fun. So I'm going to do one of those sometime this week, but today I will get down to this little trial that I'm doing. So first, this is just pre-made. This is the global white with my pouring medium that's listed below. So I'm just going to cover my canvas first of all with the paint. I'm going to use my little offset spatula, just my favourite tool at the moment. So I did go past a homeware shop the other day and find a few more, so they were on sale. So that's another little offset spatula that I bought, and this was all out of the cake icing department. So I just find that when they're offset, they're far easier to handle when you're dealing with fluid acrylics, so much easier. And I've got a real big one there, the offset big one that's used for icing cakes, but it's great when I do a real big canvas, because I can just go over it real whiz. This is very thin paint. I'm thinking that, oh, this is not thick enough. Very thin. I should have done Dutch pour with this, it's so thin. But I got a little bit of goobies in there. Never mind, that won't hurt anybody. So it's obviously coming to the end of my container and it needs a good clean out before I make any more up in there. I just wanted to have a quick go at doing this. It's too big for this canvas. This was my like window wiper, like a big long window wiper, and I attached a piece of the soft plastic file divider quite a long time ago, and now I can see it's coming off. But I wanted to see if I could do the floetrol swipe and see if it laced up the canvas. So what I mean is, this is just a trial. If it doesn't work, I will just wipe it off. But I wanted to just see, because I will definitely do this on a larger canvas. So this is just the soft plastic file divider, putting it in the very tippy toe. Oh wow, 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 wow! Oh my goodness! Look at that! Piece of art! Da-da! There's your art. No more. Huge big canvas doing that across it. How cool is that? Too cool for school. Okay, well that worked brilliantly. But that canvas is way too small for this now. I'm thinking of doing it on my real big 2 foot by 2 foot canvas that I've got. So that worked, and I'll tell you what this was. I made up the Amsterdam. I used this purple, permanent blue violet. I added a squeeze of the carmine and a squeeze of the greenish blue to make kind of this, it's like my Berry Delicious, so it's a real berry colour. So that's what I did in the Amsterdam, and then only added floetrol. I just added floetrol to it, nothing else. So look at that, monochrome, monochrome, monochrome. Piece of art without really, like, you could do that. You could definitely do that on a really large canvas and do some wisps off it, or, I mean, that's just beautiful. Look, that's just gorgeous as it is. Absolutely gorgeous as it is. So there you go. This is my big cheapy window wiper, and I just cut out some soft plastic file divider because I found the plastic on the end of this was too hard and it went too far into the canvas. But now that gives me a brilliant idea. So now to use this with this in it, I have to bring this down and show you the cells. Let's see if I can do it from up there. I don't seem to be able to come right in close, but I'm guessing you can see. Look at that. That is just gorgeous lace. Well, it's more lacing, isn't it? Lovely lace. Lovely lace. Okie doke. I will bring the canvas over this way a little because I can see that it's a bit winky wonky. Now I'm going to try these lovely colours in here.